Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP has completed the triangle. Yeah. Don't say you weren't warned about upside potential after completion of the triangle. Yeah, because in the last video we said that we are probably in the E wave, which can always be finished at any moment in time. And we already could count the WXY, and we also could count an ABC, even though it's a very short wave C. Yeah, but then we moved up, and as we broke above the wave B high, which is always the next signal, right? And the wave X high, you saw a huge rally now, and we broke above the D wave high, which indicates that this triangle is over now. Yeah, well, at least it is the first larger and greater and more relevant indication that a triangle is broken, and actually broken into the expected direction if a wave D high is sort of taken out, right? Because the overall range in which we are still operating is this one: A, B, C, D, and E. Yeah, so the wave E minimum requirements were fulfilled. We did hold, very importantly, above the wave C high. That was the condition, above 42.3 cents, and also above 41.7 cents, logically then, because that was the wave A low, and we need to stay above both the levels to maintain this triangle, because had we broken out below any of these levels, it would have seriously challenged the triangle theory here. But no, we broke out to the opposite side of the E wave, which is what you would expect in such a triangle count. But real confirmation of a broken triangle will only be obtained as soon as we get above the B wave high. So there's a long way to go, but that's also my next key resistance level here at 55 cents, the target. Yeah. So obviously we've moved up, we broke above the wave D high already. That happened so fast, couldn't even catch up with the video. And then you can see here another obvious, let's say, structural resistance level at around 51.1 cents. That's here from the 14th of October. That will probably provide some resistance. Well, it actually did here. As you can see, we came to the same level. So let me actually add a line here just to indicate this is resistance. So we need to get above that to unlock price potential all the way up to 55 cents, because this is the wave B high. So that's my further expectation, that we continue to rise now into the region of 55 cents. And that is the next pivot, the next decision point. And this is the key level where we should also see a breakout above if this scenario is going to come into fruition, because the wave B high breakout would indicate then that the triangle is indeed broken, and the next breakout point would then be the wave A high here of 56 cents. So generally the overall assumption is that we are here in a three-wave structure to the upside, that this was a wave A to the upside to 56 cents. Then we came down in a wave B all the way down to in a triangle A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, and you would always expect a triangle to break out to the opposite side of the E wave, which happened in this case, or presumably happened. Yeah, and this level and the low of the B wave, or the E wave in wave B, is 44.5 cents, and now we could see it follow through to the upside. And again, next target is around the 55 cent range. And then if we break out above the B wave, this would really be a confirmation that we are actually heading further to the upside, because as a wave B is finished, in this case as a triangle, you move into the next wave, which is the C wave, and the C wave is an impulse. And the impulsive nature of the price action that we've seen here today indicates that we are in the C wave, in a wave C of Y. And then this could take us into the region of around 77 to 80 cents. Up there, we will have the next decision and pivot point, because this is sort of the region where you should top in that larger, much larger B wave. And we could from there see a drop to the downside. But this is not clear. This is just what the overall chart suggests at the moment. I think it's got a bit of a struggle here to update for some reason, but yeah, I don't know why. Oh yeah, there you go. Because the whole move down here from the high early last year was a corrective wave pattern in an A, B, C of W, down there at 55 cents. Then we came up in wave X. We're now moving down in Y, and in the Y wave, this is a three-wave structure. I would assume we've seen already the wave A. We're now coming up in a B wave, again can take us into the region of 75 to 80 cents, and then we would come down in a C wave. That is at the moment the higher level assumption, but this just doesn't have any implications on the short term, because in the short term further upside is at the moment expected. This is the case as long as we're holding now that most recent low at 45 cents. Yeah, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.